Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a review slash first impressions on the Biovene Barcelona charcoal magnetic face mask. If you are interested to see how this performs, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so I was contacted by Biovene Barcelona to do a little collab with them. They sent me this charcoal magnetic face mask for free to review and figure out what's going on with this. Actually, they sent me kind of like a nice little package. So in the box came this little like travel bag and then the charcoal face mask and then also little peel-off masks. So there's a peel-off mask, an aqua sleeping mask, and then acne patches, which as you can see, I need these. But today, in this video, we are going to be reviewing this charcoal magnetic face mask. It says Recharge, Purify, Revitalize, Activated Charcoal with Iron, Vitamin E, and Lavender Oil, and more. 99% natural. So let me open this up. Woo. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. How much does this retail for? We should figure that out first. $14.97 at Walmart. That's not bad at all. For a 3-ounce jar of face mask and the magnet and everything, a little kit like this, $15 at Walmart. On their actual website, it's 25 euros. I don't know if they ship to the US or not. I will put all of that in the description box below. But what you get in the kit itself is the face mask, a little spatula, the magnet, and then some magnet covers so that you can like magnet off the mask, if that makes sense. But the instructions on how to use this, it says use the spatula to spread a thin layer over cleansed face, which I already have a clean face, avoiding the eye area, and leave on for 10 minutes. Wrap the magnet with the included cover and run it near the surface of the skin. You don't need to touch the magnet to your skin until the mask has been removed completely. Massage the remaining oils to infuse ingredients into the skin. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. Use twice a week. We are going to try that. This smells so good. It smells delicious! How much are you getting in here? You're getting 3 ounces of product in here. I know it seemed kind of expensive, but you're getting 3 ounces. So you're getting a lot, like, especially for the amount of product that you use for a mask. It's kind of thick. Ooh. Ooh. It feels really good going on. And like I said, it smells really good. It smells like a lotion I had from Mahava way back in the day when I went to Israel and got some. I feel like magnetic face masks are kind of all the rage right now. I know a lot of other skincares are coming out with magnetic face masks. It just seems to be the thing to the hot skincare item right now. A little bit about the box. It says Biovene Magnet Mask is an innovative natural anti-aging and rejuvenating face mask consisting of iron magnetic particles, activated charcoal, and a blend of the most precious oils nature has to offer for a smooth, firm, and radiant complex. The iron particles work together with the activated charcoal to draw out impurities using magnetic currents as you hover the included magnet over your face in order to remove the mask. I hope I'm not doing too thick of a layer. That is spread on about as evenly as I can get it. It feels really good on the face. It doesn't feel like irritating, tingly, warm, any of those like negative feelings. It smells amazing. I don't know what is in here that makes it smell that good. Let us look. Safflower seed oil, almond oil, jojoba oil. I don't know. Let's read a little bit about, while I'm waiting the 10 minutes, I'm going to time myself. 1:42. The magnet mask is the next generation of face masks developed to counter the effects of environmental toxins, stress, and daily residue that may cause permanent aging. Utilizing electromagnetic interactions, the magnetic mask draws out impurities, relaxes, and helps your skin achieve a glowing appearance. Isn't that the dream? Isn't that what everybody wants? Defy the signs of aging and experience the most amazing natural face mask with iron, activated charcoal, safflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil, lavender oil, and more. Well, I can tell you that this smells amazing. It's delicious. So I'm going to go and wait 10 minutes in real life, not 10 minutes video time, and we will be back to take the mask off and to kind of give a final review of everything. I am really kind of excited about this though, because honestly, I like using harsh like charcoal products on my skin because, as you saw before, I'm having some adult acne issues. However, they're very drying on my skin, and then I try and use an oil moisturizer, and then it's like they're fighting against each other. So the fact that this has activated charcoal and oil in it, I'm very excited to see kind of the end result, and using this mask daily, what it's kind of going to, not daily, twice a week it says, and using this mask regularly, that's what I meant to say, regularly, is really going to do for my skin because, again, activated charcoal, good for my acne and my like pimples, however, not good for my overall like skin moisture. So I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then we will be back to take the mask off. Alright guys, so now it's time to take the mask off. So I'm going to take their little, oh, they're cloth. I don't know why I thought they were anything other than cloth. They're not little baggies, they're just little cloth wraps. So now I'm just going to take the, oh, whoa! That is the weirdest feeling ever. Ew, that's cool looking, look. There we go. Look. Ooh. That's cool. Oh, that's even cooler. So I'm trying to take it off and it's like the mask is going wherever the magnet is. That's cool. It's like, can you see it? Like, how am I supposed to be like showing you this? Can you see it coming off my skin? It's like pooling like you think a magnet would pool. That's so cool. I don't know what I thought it was gonna feel like, but I didn't think it was gonna feel like that. Alright, I feel like there's a technique that you have to get down to like get the face mask off the magnet. That's a work in progress. Alright, I'm just like weirded, but also like this is the coolest thing ever out. Alright, and then once you have all of the magnet part off, then the actual face mask, then it says just to rub the oils in, which this is very moisturizing. Like, I don't think I've ever felt my face feel this like moisturized. And I don't mean like a moisture mask, I mean like it actually feels like moisturized, if that makes sense. So anyways, you just rub in the rest of the essential oils into your face and then you're good to go. This being about $15 at Walmart, honestly is not a bad price for the amount that you're getting. You're getting the spatula, the little covers, the magnet, 3 ounces of a face mask. It's available $15 at Walmart. I am not disappointed by this whatsoever. One, as I said all throughout this video, I know I'm repeating myself. I do that in my videos. I've gotten lots of comments about it. This smelled amazing. Oh my gosh. It's like, I can't even I can't even explain it. Honestly, I was expecting something a little bit more like charcoal-y smelling, dirty smelling, but this is like, it's better than most of the face masks I've tried out there. I'm not getting paid to say any of this. They did send this to me for free to review, but honestly, I've tried a lot of face masks out there and not all of them smell or are smell the same and or are luxurious. This smells wonderful. I also really like the packaging. It's glass. I like the charcoal magnetic mask. I like all of the wording and things on it. So anyways, I will link everything in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Have you tried this face mask before? Have you tried a magnetic face mask? What's your favorite face mask? Leave all of that in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another video or review. As always, remember, life is better with a good sale in makeup. Thanks so much for watching, guys.